When you go around the city, you will see many buildings and flyover made of concrete. Concrete is mainly made of cement. But did you know that cement has a negative impact? Yes, it contributes 7% of global carbon dioxide emission. This fact encouraged me to do research on sustainable concrete material and find alternative material that can partially replace cement in concrete without losing much its performance. To do this, I explore local alternative material from mining waste of copper mining tailing activities. It's called copper tailings. In Arizona, there are 17.5 billion tons of copper tailing, and they are stored in large dams. But this has some risk. First, copper tailing can contaminate groundwater and soil. Second, copper tailing dust can spread and harm our respiratory health. So if we can use copper tailing as a partial cement replacement in concrete, we can overcome two problems at once, reducing carbon dioxide emission from cement and also reducing the copper tailing in them. So we can lower the environmental risk. And to see if copper tailing can be used in concrete, I did the test, and the test showed that copper tailing has 62% silicon dioxide. But why is silicon dioxide important in concrete? Let's see how normal concrete works. When we mix cement and water, they produce calcium silicate hydrate that contributes most to the concrete strength and also calcium hydroxide. If we add copper tailing, the silicon dioxide from copper tailing will react with calcium hydroxide and produce additional calcium silicate hydrate. Then we can expect concrete to have a similar or even higher strength than normal concrete. To evaluate our hypothesis, I also did the test from a 10% copper tailing in our concrete, and the test results show that the strength is 9,300 psi, and that concrete can be classified as high-strength concrete, which is typically used in high-rise building structures. To evaluate our computational model also to find new recipe of concrete, and we can predict our strength of concrete. Then we can find new recipe of concrete. In the end, using copper tailing not only reducing carbon dioxide emission from cement, but also reducing the amount of copper tailing in dams. In the future, we will see many buildings and flyover made of concrete, like our new concrete. Thank you.